Welcome to Well Fed, where I help you level up your cooking skills for all adventures, big or small. Through some digging, I found my very first recipe video on how to make hard-boiled eggs. So I thought it would be fun to give this an HD remaster just to compare the two to see how much I've improved over the years. So alongside this video, I'll also be posting that one if you wanted to check out the comparison for yourself. Grab a medium saucepan, fill it halfway up with water. You're going to cover that and put it over medium heat until it's boiling. Your water is ready when it has achieved a rolling boil like you see right here. Be careful of any steam that might escape as well. I think I got my hand right here. Grab however many eggs you want to boil and you're going to get a ladle. Slowly put them in the water. I got this little egg timer for Christmas. I figured I'd give that a try to see if it worked. From here, you're going to set a timer for your preferred doneness on your eggs. For a soft yolk, you're going to boil for about 4 minutes. For a medium, you're going to do 7. And for a hard boiled, you're going to go at least 10. Cover those up and crack open a cold one and wait for them to finish up. If you also like video games, I'll put a link to all my gaming content in the description below. Once your timer goes off, you're going to get these under cold water as soon as you can. Run your eggs under cold water for 8 to 10 minutes until they're completely cooled. If you decided to go the hard-boiled egg route, I do have an egg salad video as well. I'll put that in the top right corner, and I will also put it at the end of this video. Once your eggs are cooled off, you're going to crack it and roll it like this. That way you'll be able to peel it. Should peel pretty perfectly every time using this method. Hard-boiled eggs make really easy snacks. You can also throw them in a salad if you want to go that route. My favorite way to eat them is just throw a little dab of hot sauce in there and mow down. This recipe should help you on your adventure. If your cooking skill leveled up from this video, drop a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to get more recipes for your next quest. Thank you and see you next time.